for the public transportation. Bus going to Discovery Bay. Okay, we're in Discovery Bay now, going to Lofu Town. That's the starting here in Greenfield Court. Okay, seats set. So yan nga guys, sa mga adik sa Go Wild, yan. Muulan. In the green path, the main trail. Okay, Tiger Head. Okay, Disneyland. Look at these Chinese flowers. Okay, almost at Tiger Head. Okay, from here also a way there coming from that peak. Okay, going up now, and then we'll take that later. Okay, going up now. Then later we walk there. And they're so noisy. I'm doing my vlog. So we came up there. There's a so we go to the viewing point and try to post there up. Okay. Oh. Okay, we're here at the peak of Lofu Town or Tiger Head. Oh, there's a bit of clearing now. Okay, we're leaving now the peak and viewing point of Lofu Town to our next trail. So from the viewing point, we'll take this path. Okay, we're down now. Heading to our next peak. We will follow this trail. Look at that! So, another hill again to go up before our next peak. Still Discovery Bay on the background. Okay, almost at the second peak. But the trigo is there. Good thing it's cooler today. So going to the trigonometric post now for our check-in also. The trigo. We're doing this hike from Lofu Town to Pha Phen Teng, the 4 peaks first, and then we will go to Chin Hy later for the 2 peaks more. So I started in Discovery Bay and then we'll end up later in the Lantau-Link. Good thing the rain stopped and it's cooler, so it's fine to do do this trail now. Oh, there's the Trigo now. Okay, going up again. Okay, still a long way. So guys, that's where we came from. We're almost in Taishan. A few more. Going up. Whew. It's a trail. Okay, we see this ribbon again. This is the one who guided us in Saikong last Sunday. Okay, we're at the peak of Taishan. Yay, ang ganda. Okay, that's the next target. We need to cross the highway. That mountain, Sadhuri Station. And then you can see Inspirational Lake from here. Inspirational Lake and then Disneyland. From there is the Trigo. We will go down from here and then we need to cross the highway and then go there. Okay, and we're here at this trail. Okay, look at that. This is a newly built staircase. Look guys, may chesa sila rito. Ayan o, wala rin pumapansin. Parang Pinas lang. Okay, don't cross the expressway. Take the subway. Nong, luwang, tambayan. Available, walang basa. Okay, from there, follow the ribbon to the next destination. Another mountain. Bike, oh! Okay. Follow the ribbon, ribbon. Thank you, ribbon. Hinteng. Okay. Taking the Great Trail now, going to Pha Phen Teng. It's still a long way to go. Okay guys, from the third peak, and here, and then we're almost at the fourth peak. Yay! You can see Disneyland and the Inspirational Lake from here. And there's another trail here. We'll stay there for Pha Phen Teng check-in. Okay, we're in the trigonometric pose of Pha Phen Teng. Okay, we're here in Pha Phen Teng. Pha Phen Teng, going down now to our next check-in, which is Ching Yi Peak. Siyempre sasakay kami. It's so cold. Ay, grabe, ang lamig. Okay, we're here in the Lantau Lake bus terminal. There. Whew. Oh, okay, we're going to the bus stop. So we're here now in Ching Yi, going to the start of. Okay. go here. Okay, still walking. And mga bagong artista ng vlog ko. Hello! So one picture. I go here, but this is not our prospect one. It's Yutushan. Still in the nature trail. Okay, finish with the check-in. We're crossing now, going to Chingy Peak. Okay, stairs again. My tuhod is not okay, and my companion's tuhod also, and we want to have a dinner today. I know we want to eat dinner together. Kasi ilang linggo na kaming naghihiwalay ng takbuhan na sa sakayan eh. So, pwede naman namin i-take to next time with Mawan.